Ram, you have something?
Yeah, I have a question on the process because we have not gone through the meditation yet. I don't know if it's covered already. Throughout my life, I've heard meditation is leaving your mind blank, concentrating on the japa or focusing on God. What is the right state of meditation? What are you supposed to do in
Yeah, these
meditation?
three, whatever you said, the three, blanking the mind, concentration in japa, and the third one you said, no?
Just focus on the God or
Focus. So all these three uh, have to be taken with a pinch of salt because that is how everybody is teaching, but that is not the way it is meant to be. So if we listen to Swami Satyananda Saraswati, who I was fortunate to listen in 2009, he says that the purpose of japa is also not concentration. The purpose of japa is to just do the japa and allow the concentration to happen. Today, it is being taught, we are being pushed to concentrate while doing japa. And we are asked to say it is okay when you are doing a japa. Why we are asked to do the japa? When everything is uncertain, only in japa, the probability of what is going to happen next is known to us. Because in a japa is what? A constant, continuous repetition of a sound, which is a mantra given to us by a teacher authorized in the tradition. Okay. So when we know we are going to practice the japa for 108 or 1000, reasonably, if we have understanding of it, we will know in the next 2 minutes also we would be practicing this mantra. So that is the reason why japa is given very much importance in the tradition to give us a sense of stability because we cannot say what we will think in the next 2 minutes. Okay. But if you notice at the start of the session, two times when I asked any observations about meditation, before Rajaji spoke and after he spoke, there was silence. Correct? That silence, we call it as, in English, has a beautiful word, a studied silence. Correct? So, in meditation, if you are able to maintain that studied silence while the japa is going on or meditation itself is happening, okay, then that is enough for us. So during the rain, if you are happy to save yourself from a raincoat or an umbrella, that is enough, right? We can't stop the rains from uh, rushing on us. Same way, it is next to impossible for many of us, a majority of us, to stop the barrage of thoughts which are thrown at us by the mind. So we just take the help of a mantra or a process called japa, like an umbrella or a raincoat, to just protect ourselves from the thoughts which are coming at that time without dealing with the thoughts. That is one small understanding which we constantly tell ourselves. Mind by nature is going to say you so many things, so be it. So I am going to do. So over a period of time, what happens? During the time you allocate for meditation, and with this knowledge, the experience of that calmness, the practical realization of how healing happens will happen. And then what he spoke at the DNA level, correct? The aging process will get slow. And today, even we know only when we think slow, when we do things in a particular proper speed, aging is also managed, right? So meditation has to lead us to all these things which we are discussing are all side effects. But the purpose is taking us closer to who we are. So a systematic process is required.